Hi, I'm Kim from Now.
And I'm Tina from Now, and today we're going to be making a romantic floral sugar scrub. It's a super easy gift, and it's great for Valentine's Day, or you can switch up the packaging and it makes a great Mother's Day gift too. So first we're going to put in 2 cups of turbinado sugar, and then we're going to add 1 cup of liquid fractionated coconut oil, and then 1 tablespoon of vitamin E oil, and then we'll start to add our essential oils. We're going to add 3 drops of bergamot, 3 drops of Ylang Ylang, and 26 drops of Jasmine Absolute. Just thoroughly mix together all the ingredients. Next, you're just going to fill up the container of your choice to make it nice and presentable as a gift. If you decide to do a rose sugar scrub, you can easily mix in real rose petals for some added color to it as well. For more recipe ideas, visit us at nowfoods.com/nowsolutions.